Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how to rate a show on Viki. If you want to share your thoughts on a show you've watched, then rating a show on Viki helps other viewers discover great content. First of all, launch open the Rakuten Viki application on your mobile device and log in. After you're in the home page, from the list of shows and movies, go ahead and choose a show that you'd like to rate. After you open up the show info page, you will then be able to see a rate this button under play button on the screen. Simply tap on it and then go ahead and set your rating. Go ahead and tap on the star rating at the top of the screen and you can rate from 1 to 10. Go ahead and give your score, and you can also write a short review about your experience and go ahead and tap on the submit button at the bottom right corner. And that way you will be able to rate a show in Viki. Your rating and review will now be visible to other Viki users. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more easy tech guides. I'll be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.